Morning guys, I greet you from RBT Health and Detox Pretoria. This is our room where we receive people. That's a original Rive plasma generator with a MOPA light. It takes frequency, radio frequency, send it to an audio wave, boost it through an amplifier, emits it through a plasma tube, resonating at the patient's body, killing cancer. Then we do live blood analysis. We do RBTI tests, blood pressure, cholesterol. We measure your frequency, the frequency where you sleep. Come to people's houses, we measure frequency. We've got ozone treatment. We've got plasma treatment or Blu-ray UV, lymph suit, all inclusive. So this is just a rough view of what we do. We're on a farm setting. We take people from the environment, take them out of the stress zones. We reconnect them to Yahweh. We've got a religious spirit that goes around. I'm not going to extend on that very much, but we re-establish a connection to Yahweh. Secondly, we detox the soul body. We've got stored trauma in our subconscious minds that cause an acidic signal from the brain to the vagus nerve that's converted into acid. The body becomes acidic, etc. And trauma stuck in our body. Lastly, we do RBTI, where we look at the biological condition of the body and we correct that with a lifestyle. We measure your volts, your pH, your amps, etc., your ammonia, your nitrogen, your dead cells in your body. We do a pathcare test and we rebuild the body to that God wants us to do. It's a holy sacrifice to God. Thank you guys.